Hello, Chef here with yet another video. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about fruit. I do a lot of work with fruit, and you probably will experience a bunch of fruit over the years, and you're going to learn more and more about it. So here we go. First thing is identifying the fruit. So here we have two pears. I'm not sure if you know what these pears are, but I'm going to tell you. These are beautiful USA grown. Thank you, farmers, for the Bosch pears. B-O-S-C is the variety. And these pears are really good. They're nice and crispy and crunchy. I want to show you how to tell when they're ripe. So follow along. Okay, you can't tell just by looking at them necessarily. This pear is beautiful. It's got a nice stem. The color's awesome. It came from the same exact tree, or crop at least, as this pear. This one's got a few spots on it already. Anyway, I want to show you. What you do is you take your fingers and you manipulate near where the stem comes off, and it needs to be a little bit soft. Right there, it gives a little bit. Whereas this one is much firmer and harder. This one should be ready in about a week or so. So this is the ripe pear. Now watch my videos. You're going to find all kinds of information about carving and how to do different things to a pear. In this particular case, I'm only going to use a knife. This is like a serrated fruit knife, and I just sharpened it. It is razor sharp. If you want to learn about sharpening, subscribe right here and just put that in the search engine. Sharpening knives, sharpening serrated knives, sharpening ceramic knives. You're going to find all that information right there. Okay, so in this particular case, I'm going to cut this pear perfectly down the center like this. Beautiful, nice cut. And I'm going to remove a little bit of the bottom here. If I was poaching this pear, I would peel it first. I'm going to remove a little bit of the top like this. There's a very tough spot running right along the middle. Then I'm going to use a melon baller to remove the center core. Why? Because I'll get a perfect clean cut, and the rest of this pear is edible and beautiful. So a little bit more stem that continues right there. Okay, and we'll remove that. So that right there is a perfect half of a Bosch pear. It's perfectly ripe. I'm going to give it a taste test and confirm that. Oh yeah, beautiful. If you want to learn about carving different fruits and vegetables, I got all kinds of cool stuff on this channel, and I'm going to teach you a few things. Yeah. With that, I'm going to let you go. Have a great day. Smash the like button, share, subscribe right down there. Oh yeah, get cooking. It's going to be great. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.